Assalamu Alikum everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we are visiting Virginia Fried Chicken in Oldham with a food hygiene rating of 5 and more than 500 reviews online. Welcome back everyone. We've just finished ordering our food, the chicken sandwich spicy meal with chips and a drink. The food was good. The takeaway had adequate seating and was very spacious, very clean and tidy, super clean actually. We noticed that they have a milkshake bar, so if the food was too spicy, you could buy yourself a milkshake. Excellent customer service. We highly recommend this place. If you are in Oldham or in Greater Manchester, please drop by and get yourself a spicy chicken sandwich. Jazak Allahu Khairan, and we'll see you on the next one.